Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum and once again welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see reusable craft ideas. In this video you will see almost 50 plus different craft ideas. I really hope that you really love it. So watch my full video till end. I really hope that you really enjoying all the ideas that I am sharing with you. First of all, if you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, so first subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. Tin can lanterns, jar lid for 2 magnets and much more. Materials you will need: empty tin cans, water, freezer hammer, nail, paint, optional tea light candle, and lid jar for 2 magnets, metal jar lids, small printed photos, glue, scissors, found magnets, scent or ribbons, optional. These are very pretty and very unique reuse items. Broken jewelry, decorative keychains. I really hope that you like all the video that I am shared with you. In this video you will see reuse materials for home decor. You can use in daily life: bottle cap, wall art, cardboard tube organizer, plastic bottle planters, newspaper, gift bags, CD, DVD, music coasters, egg carton flower wreath, milk carton usage. If you watch my full video till end, you will see amazing and very beautiful recycling craft ideas. Recycling crafts are very trendy nowadays. Tin can planters clean old tin cans, paint or decorate them and use them as cute planters for small indoor plants. You can use your each and everything for your home decorations like plastic bottles, markers, pencil colors, and spoons, forks, and much more. I really hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and please share my video with your friends at social sites, with your family, friends, WhatsApp groups. In my next video I will give you many other unique and interesting ideas, DIY idea. So I really hope that you enjoying my video. Below you will see more craft videos maybe you never see before. If you have any request, if you have any question, Please let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Enjoying your lovely days with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.